Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to assign cards in Trello. This is actually pretty simple, just follow my steps. First, click on the card that you want to assign and this will open up the card fully. Now you have to assign a member to it, so click on this members icon and here you can search for your members. Click on your members straight if you want, right here. And now this member is assigned to this card. It is really simple. You can add more members just by clicking on this plus icon and add more members. You can also remove from this member from this card if you want. So click on remove from card and it is really simple like that. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.